Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Harmony price prediction and Harmony news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Harmony in 2022. Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications, dApps. The network aims to take an innovative approach to running decentralized applications and focuses on random state sharding, which allows new blocks to be created in seconds. Stephen C. is the founder and CEO of Harmony. He holds a PhD from the University of Pennsylvania in cryptographic protocols and type theory. Upon graduation, C. became a research intern at Microsoft. In 2006, he began working as a senior engineer at Google and has been with the company for 4 years. In 2011, he founded Spotsitter, a successful search engine that was later acquired by Apple. In 2014, C became Apple's chief engineer. He founded Harmony in 2017. The founding team of Harmony is made up of 12 people, 7 of whom are ex-Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon employees. The partnership with HSBC could be particularly important for the sandbox's increased integration with the global financial infrastructure. With some United States dollars 2.96 trillion in assets, as of the end of 2021, the UK business is one of the world's largest banking and financial services organizations. Meanwhile, this past February, international consultancy Accenture estimated that banking in the metaverse could mark another transforming frontier for the world's banks, with some observers predicting the metaverse to be a United States $8 trillion opportunity. As mind-bending as this new environment may seem, banks need to consider the possibilities that will transform everything from the basics to the future of business, according to Accenture's leading banking directors. With banks now starting to jump on the metaverse bandwagon, it's important to strike a balance between the prescriptive and the curious. Virtual and augmented reality is already shaping the way banking industry leaders see the future of their sector across the globe, as indicated by research commissioned by the Digital Banking Report. $48.59 in the week, following the unprecedented Russia-induced market meltdown. But Terra's prowess hinged on its unique capabilities as a blockchain protocol that uses fiat-pegged stablecoins to power price-stable global payment systems. Its innovative products and services are bound to see additional growth in the coming week. Much observation has to be placed on Terra to see how well investors will push the coin's price in the advent of a broad market resurgence. Anchor Protocol, Anchor Protocol is a lending and borrowing protocol on the Terra blockchain and the 29th project on Binance Launchpool. The protocol is the biggest decentralized finance protocol on the Terra blockchain. It has risen to prominence amongst its competitors, as it gives a low volatility interest rate of up to 19%. Anchor Protocol is arguably the biggest gainer amongst the top 100 digital currencies, with a gain of 72.10% in the past 24 hours at the time of writing. While the token was trading at $3.77, Anchor Protocol has a lot of potentials to grow some more in the coming weeks as investors consider savings in the network one of the best options available amidst the uncertainties rocking global financial markets. Waves. Unlike other profiled altcoins, Waves resisted the plunge in the digital currency ecosystem in the past week and has been printing a bullish uptrend since February 24, undeterred by the sentimental sell-offs the Russian invasion spiked. Changing hands at $11.93, Waves has recorded a 22.79% growth in the past week as it has pared off some of its gains. However, Waves remains one of the altcoins to watch despite the coin begging for immediate correction. Moving into the metaverse, UK bank HSBC is the first global financial services provider to enter virtual world The Sandbox, following in the steps of US-based banking giant JP Morgan, which recently set up a lounge in another virtual world, Decentraland, Mono. The British bank said it sees great potential to create new experiences through emerging platforms, opening up a world of opportunity for our current and future customers, and for the communities we serve. The bank will acquire a plot of land, virtual real estate in the Sandbox metaverse, which will be developed to engage and connect with sports, esports, and gaming enthusiasts, per their announcement. HSBC is joining the ranks of more than 200 partners of Animoca brands-operated virtual worlds such as Warner Music Group, Adidas, Ubisoft, and Gucci. 600% from November 2020 to April 2021. Do all things come to an end? Indeed, the rising crypto adoption met a major obstacle here in the region. From 1 April 2022, Thailand would prohibit the usage of digital assets as a means of payment for goods and services. According to a report by Bloomberg on 23 March, Thailand Regulatory Board issued rules to ban digital assets for payment of goods and services. This new development will come into play at the start of as expected. The geopolitical tensions stirred a very massive sell-off in the broader financial ecosystem, with cryptocurrencies, led by Bitcoin, BTC, responding in tandem. While the global crypto market capitalization plunged to a low of $1.57 trillion, a number of altcoins maintained an impressive growth outlook over the trailing 7 days period. This article is a review of the top highest earners for the week. Terra, Luna. Terra is one of the most elite of all coins that has soared by more than 51% in the past week. The network's native token, Luna, was changing hands at $74.83, rising from a low of from blockchain, says that his company has broad and deep capabilities in a statement. Taking aim at Solana in a newly published interview with the Financial Times, Lubin took a swipe at Solana, a rival cryptocurrency network, claiming that it has to work on developing a sustainable business model. As reported by you. Today, Bank of America recently predicted that Solana would keep chipping away at the market share of its bigger rival due to its fast and cheap transactions despite the centralization trade-off. The next news about metaverse banking, HSBC enters the sandbox as JP Morgan tests Decentraland. With major financial institutions increasing next month. In a joint press release, the Thailand Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Bank of Thailand, BOT, said, business operators including crypto exchanges must not provide such payment services and are barred from acting in a manner that promotes digital assets to pay for goods or services. However, the new regulation won't affect trading or investments in digital assets. Until the end of April, companies and local businesses had to comply with the new rules. The development pricing units other than the Thai bot would increase the cost of economic activities. The rising crypto adoption, indeed, met a major obstacle here in the region. As of April 1st, Thailand would prohibit the usage of digital assets as a means of payment for goods and services. At the same time, it reduced the efficiency of monetary policy transmission. Cryptocurrency operators should halt advertising, soliciting or establishing a system to facilitate payment of the same. Instead, they must warn clients against the use of digital assets for payments. The new regulations even went to the extent to threaten cancellation of accounts if found guilty of breaching these rules. This move falls. Today we will discuss the Harmony price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. Harmony course forecast 2022. One has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Harmony, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 21 cents. One is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 21 cents. One rate prediction 2023. An impeccable approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Harmony will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2023, one is expected to peak at 30 cents. The minimum bet could go up to $0.25 if the market turns bullish. Harmony price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Harmony could cross 43 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 38 cents. Harmony price prediction 2025 and 2025. With wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Harmony price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach 63 cents in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of 56 cents with a maximum price of 63 cents for 2025.